Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling automotive products on Amazon. From innovative gadgets to essential tools, we've got it all covered for you. So without further ado, let's jump right in and discover the top automotive products that are making waves and transforming your driving experience.
Number 5 on our list of Amazon's best-selling automotive products is the Rain-X 810165 Latitude 2-in-1 water-repellent wiper blades, a top choice for windshield wipers that combines functionality with innovation. Imagine driving through a torrential downpour. Visibility is everything. With these wiper blades, you're not just clearing your windshield, you're transforming it. The patented Rain-X water-repellent formula is the magic behind these blades. It doesn't just swipe away the rain, it applies a water repellent directly onto your windshield, causing water to bead up and roll away effortlessly. Safety and visibility go hand in hand. As the water beads up and rolls off, you're granted an unprecedented level of clarity and confidence while driving through any weather condition. Whether it's rain, snow, or sleet, these wipers ensure you have a clear line of sight, significantly enhancing your driving safety and comfort. Installing these wiper blades is a breeze. Thanks to the Rain-X universal adapter, they fit 96% of vehicles with ease. Plus, for those who appreciate a little guidance, simply scan the QR code on the back of the package for a handy installation video. No guesswork, just straightforward, easy-to-follow steps. The advanced beam wiper blade technology is a game-changer. By providing uniform pressure points along the length of the blade, it hugs the curvature of your windshield. The result? A smooth, clean wipe every time, ensuring no streaks or missed spots. These wiper blades are engineered for ultimate all-weather performance. From the blistering cold of winter to the relentless summer storms, they're designed to withstand the harshest conditions, delivering longer-lasting, superior wipe performance. So if you're looking for a windshield wiper that not only performs but also protects, the Rain-X 810165 Latitude 2-in-1 water-repellent wiper blades are your go-to choice. Say goodbye to smeared windshields and hello to crystal-clear views with every drive.
Sliding into the fourth spot in our countdown of Amazon's best-selling automotive products, we have the Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W20, a marvel of engineering that promises to revolutionize the way your engine performs. Imagine an oil that not only lubricates but also boosts your car's fuel efficiency. Mobil 1 delivers just that with its low viscosity formula, designed to improve fuel economy and keep your engine running smoothly. It's not just oil, it's a game changer. This isn't your average motor oil. Mobil 1's signature triple action formula provides outstanding engine performance, protection, and cleanliness. You're not just pouring in oil, you're pouring in a performance enhancer that shields your engine for up to 10,000 miles between changes. Think about that. 10,000 miles of confidence and protection. Mobil 1's advanced formulation meets ILSAC GF6 standards, ensuring low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, and timing chain wear protection. It's more than just meeting standards, it's about exceeding them. Your engine stays clean, efficient, and ready for anything the road throws at it. Engine longevity is key, and Mobil 1 helps extend your engine's life by preventing harmful deposits and sludge buildup. Imagine an engine that not only performs well, but also lasts longer, maintaining that fresh-from-the-factory feel for miles and miles. This oil isn't just a product, it's a promise of superior performance, unparalleled protection, and exceptional cleanliness. With Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W20, you're not just driving, you're driving smarter, cleaner, and more efficiently. So whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend road warrior, or someone who simply loves their car, this oil is your engine's best friend. Mobil 1 isn't just oil, it's the lifeblood of your vehicle. Taking the third spot in our top 5 best-selling automotive products on Amazon, we have the versatile and indispensable all-purpose stainless steel shower squeegee by Dokrock. This isn't just a cleaning tool, it's a revolution in maintaining pristine surfaces with ease. Picture this: A squeegee that not only removes water drops, but also effortlessly wipes away soap scum and other buildup with just a few swipes. Docroc's Shower Squeegee guarantees a streak-free, squeak-free finish, leaving your glass doors and other surfaces sparkling clean. Fast, easy, and effective. Cleaning has never been so satisfying. Durability is key with the Docroc Squeegee. Crafted from 100% rust-resistant stainless steel and equipped with a premium silicone blade, this tool is built to last. It's sturdy, reliable, and designed to withstand daily use, making it a must-have for all your household cleaning activities. Whether it's windows, shower glass doors, or bathroom tiles, this squeegee handles it all with finesse. Ergonomics matter, and Docroc knows it. With its ergonomic design and precisely cut silicone blade, this squeegee offers a comfortable anti-slip grip, making cleaning not just efficient, but also effortless. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and hello to swift, effective cleaning. Versatility is the hallmark of the Docroc Squeegee. It's perfect for shower glass doors, tile walls, car windows, mirrors, and any smooth, flat surface. Whether you're cleaning indoors or outdoors, this all-purpose squeegee is your go-to tool, simplifying tasks and delivering exceptional results every time. Storage and convenience are at the forefront with this squeegee. It comes with 2 waterproof adhesive hooks, easily attachable to any smooth surface. Hang it on your shower walls, in the kitchen, or anywhere you need quick access. It's always within reach, ready to make your cleaning routine a breeze. In essence, the Docroc all-purpose stainless steel shower squeegee is more than just a cleaning tool. It's a game changer for maintaining cleanliness and clarity on various surfaces. Efficient, durable, and versatile, it's the cleaning companion you've been waiting for. With Docroc, every wipe is a swipe towards perfection. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling automotive products on Amazon? Well, don't let your enthusiasm hit the brakes. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never miss out on these top gear picks. Claiming the second spot in our countdown of Amazon's best-selling automotive products, we have the EcoNour car windshield sunshade. This isn't just a sunshade. It's a fortress against the relentless assault of the sun's rays on your car's interior. Imagine stepping into your car on a scorching day, only to find it refreshingly cool inside. That's the magic of the EcoNour car sunshade. Engineered with high-quality, durable 240T sunblocker screen protector material, this sunshade offers superior protection against harmful UV rays, shielding your car's interior from damage and keeping the temperature at an optimal level. It's more than just a sunshade, it's a shield for your car's longevity. Durability and convenience come together in this ingenious design. The EcoNour sunshade is super durable, ensuring it withstands the test of time and elements. But what sets it apart is its versatility. Unlike other sunshades, this one is incredibly easy to use and fold. Pop it up, install it, fold it back, and store it effortlessly in the provided storage pouch. It's a seamless solution for everyday protection. A snug fit is crucial, and EcoNour delivers. Measuring 64 inches in length and 32 inches in width, this sunshade adjusts to fit car windshields that do not exceed these measurements. It's crafted to provide a perfect fit, ensuring comprehensive coverage and maximum protection. Choosing the right size can be a challenge, but not with EcoNour. With 7 different size variants available, there's a perfect fit for almost every family-sized four-wheeler. Refer to the size chart and find the ideal sunshade for your vehicle. It's not just a product, it's a tailored solution for your specific needs. In essence, the EcoNour car windshield. Sunshade is more than an accessory. It's an essential tool for anyone who values their car's interior. It protects, it cools, it lasts, and it fits perfectly. With EcoNour, you're not just shielding your car, you're investing in its preservation and comfort. Keep your ride cool, protected, and pristine with EcoNour, the ultimate sunshade solution. And now, at the pinnacle of our top 5 best-selling automotive products on Amazon, we proudly present the Qifutan car phone holder mount. This isn't just a phone holder, it's your ultimate driving companion, blending innovation with practicality to keep you connected and safe on the road. Versatility is the name of the game with this 3-in-1 phone holder. Whether you prefer it on your windshield, dashboard, or air vent, the Qifutan car phone holder has you covered. Equipped with both a suction cup and a vent clip, it adapts to your needs effortlessly. It's perfect for all vehicles, cars, pickup trucks, SUVs, and even taxis. Uber and Lyft drivers, take note, this is your new best friend. But what about stability? The Qifutan mount boasts an enhanced, powerful suction cup with a double lock mechanism. Made from heat-resistant TPU material, it ensures your phone stays put on any smooth surface, no matter the driving conditions. And when the adhesive starts to lose its grip, simply rinse with warm water, wipe dry, and it's as good as new. Flexibility is paramount, and this mount delivers. With a 360-degree ball joint and an adjustable telescopic arm, you can position your phone at the perfect angle without obstructing your view. The telescopic arm extends from 6.5 to 8.1 inches, giving you the freedom to adjust the distance between you and the mount. Every journey becomes more convenient and safer. Your phone deserves protection, and Qifutan ensures it. Featuring vacuum silicone rubber and thick panels, this mount safeguards your device from scratches and drops, even during high speeds, bumps, or sharp turns. It's not just a holder, it's a shield for your phone. Ease of use is crucial, especially on the road. The Qifutan mount's one-touch release button allows you to secure or release your phone with one hand. Adjustable feet accommodate all 4 to 7-inch phones, including those with thick cases. It's user-friendly and designed with your convenience in mind. So why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? The Qifutan car phone holder mount is more than a gadget. It's a testament to superior design and functionality. Drive with confidence, stay connected, and enjoy the journey with the #1 car phone holder on Amazon. Qifutan, where innovation meets excellence. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling automotive products on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.